Are you using proper detox tracking tools? Most
tools?
people typically rely on symptoms alone when they're detoxing, missing about 50% of what's actually going on. Hi, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Dr. Erica Steele, and this is part of a series for Intro to Holistic Medicine 2, Detoxification and Elimination. I'm your professor for this course, and so we are finishing up week 1. And so this is all about week 1. We're going to move into week 2, and so let's talk about detox tracking tools because you can't manage what you don't measure. So there are two main categories that we look at: subjective tools, which is like symptom journaling. And in this particular instance, we're going to use a detox questionnaire, and we're also going to track our energy levels, our sleep, our cravings, if you feel like it, right? Your mood, skin, odors, urine, as well as your stool. So we're going to actually see how all of your body is working and build awareness to how your body naturally detoxifies. Now, objective tools. So we're going to use a tool outside of me, outside of you, to be able to measure our progress. And so we're going to track our urinary pH using pH strips. We're going to also track our foundational health that I just went over. I'm going to introduce you to a bowel transit time, and then we're going to measure and make sure that we pay attention to your Bristol stool chart as well as your urinary color chart. And then again, if you want a little bit of extra, we're going to do a stomach acid test as well, the baking soda method. So why combine both? Subjective actually tells us what you feel, right? And it's the nuance and this texture behind your patient's experience. And then objective tells us what your body actually shows, what it's expressing. And together they give a very clear picture of how your detox protocol is working or not. So we're going to need to adjust at different times. And so you want to make sure you have this data so you know when you need to adjust. So if this resonates with you and you're ready to go deeper, join me inside Intro to Holistic Medicine 2 course. There's a link in the bio, and you'll get step-by-step tools. I teach this class live Wednesdays as well as Saturdays. So check the link in my bio for that, as well as app-based lessons to guide your detox journey into a holistic way. So replays available. And if you're not familiar, join me for Morning Flow, 6 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, where we set your structure and your intention for the day. Bye for now.